Hello everyone. So today we have this very interesting question from geometry. This question is from one of the maths exam in Canada. So here we are given a figure in which we are given certain angles and the length of side AB as root 3. We need to find the perimeter ABDE. Okay. We need to find the perimeter ABDE. So how we can find the perimeter? Before starting with the question, we will be learning certain ratios that are in right triangles. Whenever we have a right triangle, there are two kinds of ratios that we can find. One is 30, 60, and 90. These are angular ratios. And one is 45, 45, and 90. Okay, so whenever we have a ratio 30, 60, and 90, the ratio of the sides opposite to 30, 60, and 90. Please listen carefully. The ratio of sides opposite to 30-degree angle, opposite to 60-degree, and opposite to 90-degree angle will be 1, root 3, and 2. And it makes sense. Why? Because the side opposite to the smallest angle is smallest, and the side opposite to largest angle is largest. In that order, we have placed. When we come to 45, 45, and 90-degree ratio, the sides ratio opposite to 45, 45, and 90 will be 1, 1, and root 2. Mind you, these are the ratios, not the actual lengths of the sides. Okay, so we will be using these ratios to solve this question. Let's start with the triangle, right triangle ABC. Okay, so in right triangle ABC, the ratio of angles, let's see, this is 60, this is 90, so this will automatically be 30. So 30, 60, 90, we know that it is 1, root 3, and 2. The side opposite to 60 is root 3. So the side opposite to 30 will be 1. That means BC will be 1. And the side opposite to 90 will be 2. Okay. Now let's come to right triangle ACE. Why I said that this is a right triangle? Please see. This is 45, this is 45. So 45, 45, 90. So this has to be 90 because 45, 45 plus 90 will add up to 180 degree. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now we have a ratio 45, 45, and 90. This ratio, correct? Now once we have this ratio, the sides opposite to 45, 45 will be same. That means if this is 2, this side CE will also be 2. And according to the ratio, the side opposite to 90-degree will be root 2, 2 times root 2. Yes, as I told you, these are not the actual length, these are the ratios. So that's why 2, 2, and root 2. Now let's come to right triangle EDC. In right triangle EDC, let's mark angles. See, this is 60, this is 90. So what will be this angle? These three angles, 60 degree, 90 degree, and this angle lie on a straight line. So they should add up to 180 degree. 60, 90, and 30 will add up to 180 degree. If this is 30, this is 90, this is automatically 60, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180. Angles in a triangle are 180 degree. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Correct. Let me mark these angles in blue color so that it is easier to see. 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we will again use these ratios. The side opposite to 90 is already 2. Yes. So the side opposite to 60 will be root 3. The side opposite to 30 will be 1. Now we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter of A, B, D, E. For that, I should add AB, BD, DE, and EA. So what is AB? AB is root 3. BD. BD is 1 plus root 3. Yes, 1 plus root 3. What is DE? DE is 1. EA, we have found out 2 root 2. So we can club 1 and 1, root 3 and root 3. We will get 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. This will be the perimeter of the required figure. So this will be our final answer.